Now we're going to talk about physical appearance. So we're primarily going to use 3 different verbs. The first one being ser, because your physical appearance is considered to be permanent. Even though I could dye my hair, I could lose weight, I could gain weight. For these purposes of ser versus estar, it's going to be used with ser. Tener, to have, we're going to use to say I have brown hair, I have blue eyes, and to describe the body parts that we have. And llevar, which means to bring or to carry, is also used in a way like to wear. I wear glasses, or a mustache, or a beard. So we're going to start off by using these in the yo form. It's important that we know the conjugations. So ser is going to be either soy or no soy. Tener is going to become tengo or no tengo. And llevar will be llevo or no llevo. Just positive and negative. I am not, I have, I don't have, I wear, I don't wear. So I'm going to go through all the ones that are in black are going to match up with the verb ser, and I'm going to choose the one that's appropriate for me. So if I start at the first 2, alto or alta, and baja, since I'm a female, that's short, tall and short. Definitely going to say I'm not tall. No soy alta, soy baja. Then the next pair, delgado is skinny, and gordo is fat or chubby. I would say no soy delgada, soy gorda. And then the following pair, vieja and joven. Vieja is old and joven is young. Not necessarily a baby, but just what you think of as older or younger. I would say, no soy vieja, soy joven. And remember that's going to have that H sound where the J is. Then for hair color, I can use either blonde, redheaded, brunette. There's 2 brunettes in Spanish. So I'll say soy rubia, I am blonde. But I could also use tener to say the same idea. So while soy rubia is literally I am blonde, and I have to make sure that that ends in A because I'm describing myself, I can also use tener to say tango. Then I'm going to put the body part. And then I'm going to put the adjective. It's kind of a strange form for us at first. Tengo el pelo, which means hair, rubio, meaning I have blonde hair. So both of these are going to communicate the same idea. There's not one that's more right than the other. You can choose the one that's easier for you. But just know that there's more than one way to say it. So I could say tengo el pelo rubio. Then we have pelirrojo, which would be a redhead. Castaño, that has the ñ, which is a light brown hair. Moreno is a dark brown, or black hair. And then I also included some colors. So if you want to say black literally, you can say negro. Brown would be café. Some people have gray hair, gris, or white hair, blanco. If you notice, all of these adjectives are keeping the male form because they're describing your hair, and hair just happens to be masculine, el pelo. Next, corto or largo, short and long, I would say tengo el pelo largo. Then below we have rizado or liso, curly or straight. Tengo el pelo liso. And then eye color. I would say tengo los ojos verdes. You'll notice here that since we're talking about ojos, which happens to be plural, all of our adjectives are going to be plural as well. Ojos azules, ojos verdes, ojos cafés, ojos negros. The last part for me is really, really easy because I don't wear any of these things. So I can just say in the negative, no llevo gafas, no llevo bigote, no llevo barba, no llevo gorra, no llevo trenzas. That part for me is really easy. Just in case the pictures aren't enough, gafas are glasses, bigote is a mustache, barba is a beard, gorra is a hat. There's a couple different types of hats and different words for them, but we're just going to stick with gorra for now. And trenzas are braids. These are all nouns because you can say I have braids or I have a beard. So we don't have to worry about changing those. We really only have to worry about changing the adjectives that are in black that go with ser. And if you're talking about yourself and you're female, or when you describe someone else that is a female. So what I'd like for you to do is to go ahead and describe yourself. It's easiest if you go through it with the first verb ser, then tener, then llevar, and kind of systematically do it that way. And that's going to be it for this video.